I don't think it's got a smell. Alrighty then. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you are new, welcome. Today I want to check the mail and the Walmart box was in there. Alright, so let's see. So first thing, here we go. I just opened it up. If you guys don't already know, Walmart is only $5 per box, which is pretty much you pay for the shipping. So everything in this box is pretty much free. And it does come quarterly, so you get it 4 times a year. But the first thing I see in here is this big tube of lotion. So this one is for wet skin. You apply daily and experience soft, healthy skin you can only imagine. It's water activated, moisture works deep into skin surface. So pretty much you just put it on wet skin after you're out of the shower, and then you towel dry after it, so you don't have to wait or anything. And I don't think it's got a smell. Alrighty then. Oh my god. Well, we can smell it. It has like a, I wonder if it works on dry skin. It works on dry skin too. It just kind of has like a typical, okay, I don't want to have stuff on my face. It just kind of has like the typical lotion smell. It doesn't smell like vanilla or fruity or anything like that, just like typical lotion smell. Alright, the next thing in here, I do see a couple of informational stuff. So this is Cetaphil, which I'm assuming maybe there's some Cetaphil in there. Enter to win a $100 gift card. Tell us what you think about your Walmart beauty box in a brief survey by visiting this, and then you can be entered to win. So that's cool. So there is a Cetaphil little foil packet. This is the hydrating eye gel cream with hyaluronic acid. Deeply hydrates, 24 hours, brightens and smooths, and is hypoallergenic. So you're supposed to apply a pearl-sized amount around eye area and smooth until absorbed. Use morning and night. Never used a Cetaphil. I've used this before, the lotion. It's pretty good for like really dry skin, but I've never used like an under eye Cetaphil lotion, so that's interesting. And like I said, more lotion, more creams. Next thing in there is another foil packet. This is the Garnier Skin Active Soothing 3-in-1 Moisturizer Day and Night Mask. Made with rose water, made without mineral oil, parabens, silicones, or dyes. And so I'm assuming this is a moisturizer that you can also use as a mask. So, alright, next thing in here is a Soe My Collagen Hydrogel Lip Patch. And I think I've gotten this one before. I think it was in the Walmart box. If not, it might have been Allure. But these are pretty great for your lips. It's just for hydrating and moisturizing your lips. And you just apply it over your lips. You take it out, apply it over your lips for 10 to 15 minutes. And then you pat the remaining essence with fingertips, and that's pretty much it. So I've been having really, really dry lips lately, so I'm excited to try that. Next thing in there is another foil packet. So this is the Olay Daily Facials Hydrating Clean. Daily Hydrating Clean Grapeseed Extract. 5-in-1 cleansing power of a makeup remover, scrub, toner, mask, and cleanser. That's a lot to take in, right? It says wet cloth. There's a cloth in there? Okay. Wet cloth and massage in hands to activate a luxurious lather. Cleanse face thoroughly, then reuse cloth for final rinse. Dispose of cloth, do not flush. So it's like one-time cloth usage that's got like lather in it. That sounds pretty cool. I'm actually interested in that. It says daily facials, so I guess you're giving yourself a facial and it's got all those 5-in-1 things, so that's cool. It says remove dirt, oil, and makeup, even mascara, so I can try this tonight. 2 times better than basic cleaning. Smooth skin as it cleans with soft fiber polishers, and then replenish skin's natural hydration as you cleanse. Suitable for gentle eye area, and it's soap free. Our exclusive cloths are specifically textured with soft cleansing pockets to break up visible and invisible residues for a complete clean. So that's pretty cool. So you just put the cloth under water and then it lathers up, and then you can use it all over your face. And then you throw it away. Interesting. There is another mask in there, which I'm actually excited because I see a unicorn on it. So this is the Unicorn Glow Hologram Mask. Cool. Detox and brightening. It says the same brand as the lip mask, and it has black charcoal. On the back it says it's for detox and brightening, like I said. Like, it's a sheet mask, so it's pretty typical of these sheet masks. So like just take it off and then pat the rest of the stuff onto your face, and you don't have to rinse. So I'm excited about that. Holographic unicorn mask for good glow and detoxing. Alright guys, and the last item in there is actually a little pouch. It's got the Walmart logo. Golden silvery pouch, makeup bag, and then on the back it's got like little teardrops, or like it looks like rain on the back of it, with a tassel and a silver zipper. And on the inside it's just black, like that. But yeah, that is everything. We got the cosmetic bag, we got the unicorn holographic mask, we got the lip mask, we got the Olay Daily Facial Cleansing Cloth, we got a Skin Active Soothing Moisturizer, and we got an under eye cream, and then we also got the Curel Hydrotherapy Wet Skin Moisturizer. So all of that was in this quarter's Walmart box. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please give it a thumbs up if you did enjoy it, and subscribe to see more from me. And I hope I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!